For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to play the role of a retail marketer, and I'm going to use the powerful new data exploration capability within Cognos Analytics to help me understand why my smart electronics product line isn't selling. I'll begin by looking at data based on the customers in my loyalty program, and Cognos Analytics has a built-in assistant to help me get started with my analysis. First, I can ask for the data that I'm authorized to see. Then, after selecting the data that I'm interested in, I can see some interesting concepts about the metadata that I'll be analyzing. Since I'm curious about my smart electronics department, I'll ask to see the revenue by product line. The Cognos Analytics assistant understands the intent of my question and presents the most appropriate visualization to display it. You may notice as well that during my exploration, Cognos Analytics displays the relationships within my data fields. By dragging and dropping the recommended visualization from the assistant onto the canvas, I can continue my analysis. Cognos Analytics also helps guide me in this analysis by presenting visualizations that are directly related to what I'm looking at. Let's filter this result by customer loyalty tiers. First, I'll select my top tiers: VIP, Elite, and Platinum. Then I'll just duplicate this visualization and change the filter to my lower tiered members with bronze, silver, and gold status, which is very easy to do using the invert button. This gives me a very easy to consume graphical view of the buying behavior of my loyalty members. Members in my upper tier are mostly buying photography equipment, and members in my lower tiers are buying home theater equipment, but neither are buying smart electronics. By selecting either of these visualizations, I get plain language highlights of interesting insights contained within that visualization, such as revenue is unusually low when product line is smart electronics. I see that I've got some work to do. I can also toggle other insights that the built-in smarts have detected. Let's try to understand the underlying patterns related to product line. I'll start with a new page and select the sunburst visualization. As I drag and drop product line as the target, a predictive model is built on the fly for me, presented graphically in this interesting sunburst. This is definitely something that I'm going to want to pin to use in my dashboard later. But I can also toggle the decision rules that drive this sunburst. Here is a plain language explanation of the profile of individuals who buy my product lines. I can filter specifically on smart electronics, and here is the insight that I've been chasing. Those buyers who have been members for more than 48 months, who live in the suburbs, and who have a gold status within my loyalty program are more likely to purchase from my smart electronics product line. As I add this insight to my dashboard, the next thing that I might want to do is create a quick report to show me who actually fits this profile so that I could reach out to them with a targeted marketing campaign. But to quickly recap what you saw in this demonstration, I began with a question about the relationship between product line and revenue, which I was able to ask for using the new Cognos Analytics Assistant, and that launched me on my analytics journey through the new data exploration capability, where I quickly saw that there was a relationship with product line and my loyalty program tiers. By easily building a predictive model, I was presented with meaningful results that I can use to help increase sales of my failing product line. And these are just some of the capabilities available in the latest release of Cognos Analytics.